limits and derivatives. So in the miscellaneous exercise we have completed 10 questions. Now we will find the derivative for the 11th one, that is 4 into square root of x minus 2. So here the function is given to us, we have to find f dash of x, that is we have to find the derivative. So here they have given 4 into square root of x, right? Square root of x can also be written as x to the power 1 by 2, right? So x to the power of 1 by 2 is nothing but square root of x. So why we are writing in this form? Because we have the formula for d by dx of x power n, right? So now this is in the form of x to the power n, x to the power n. So now we can write n into x to the power n minus 1, right? So in the place of n we will be writing 1 by 2. So that is the reason why we are changing square root of x to the power 1 by 2. Now let us write the function. Let us rewrite it. Let f of x is equals to 4 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 2. Now we have to find f dash of x. So we will differentiate both sides. With respect to x, we have d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of 4 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 2. So d by dx of f of x is nothing but f dash of x. So both are same. So we will write f dash of x is equal to, so d by dx of function minus function, we will apply u minus v rule, u minus v. So if you apply u minus v rule, which is from the algebra of derivatives, right? Algebra of derivatives, where you will learn how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the derivative of functions. So if you know this, you can solve any problem. So always you make a small note of algebra of derivatives. Okay. So now this will be d by dx of 4 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus d by dx of 2. This implies f dash of x is equal to d by dx of constant into function, right? So d by dx of constant into function is constant into derivative of the function. So we will write constant into derivative of the function minus d by dx of constant is 2, which is 0. So this implies f dash of x is equal to 4 into, now derivative of x power n, which is 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. This implies f dash of x is equal to 4 by 2 into x to the power of half minus 1 is minus half, right? Because minus 1 is greater, so we'll write minus. Now this implies f dash of x is equal to 2 into x to the power minus 1 by 2. Now this implies f dash of x is equal to 2 into, so here we have negative exponent, which we can write it in a positive exponent by writing the reciprocal 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. Correct? Now this we can also write it as f dash of x is equal to 2 divided by x to the power 1 by 2, which is square root of x. So here we will write square root of x. So this is the derivative of the function 4 into square root of x minus 2. So in the exam we can also remember this. Derivative of square root of x, directly we can write it as 1 by 2 root x. So applying this directly, we can also solve without even converting this. If we know d by dx of square root of x is 1 by 2 root of x, then we can solve this directly. But I have taken the power rule and I have simplified.